Sa baba kasi ako dadalhin.
Andito na tayo. Sige, tagalin mo na yung blindfold mo. Sige na. Iris, halika na. O sige, kasya pa. Going up. Dito na po tayo.
Oh my gosh!
Ano pong pangalan nila? Mr. and Miss Campbell po. Okay. Sandali lang po. Wala po ata sa listahan yung mga pangalan niyo po. Pwede po paki-double check? Ngayon po kasi yung reservation po namin eh. Sorry po sir ha, pero pwede na po kayong lumabas. Bakit po? Ano po yung nangyari? Ganito po kasi yan sir. Babe, pasensya ka na ha. Wala kasi tayo sa listahan eh. Gusto ko sana yung maganda at perfect na date pero may problema kasi.
Ano ka ba? This is the best date ever. This is my first time na pumunta sa ganitong kataas na building. Kaya okay lang.
Talaga? Pasensya ka na kung ito lang yung afford ko.
Okay.
Ano yan? Oh, ayos ka lang.
Ayos lang. Malay naman to sa bituka. Buhay pa ako. CR lang ako saglit ha. Dito ka lang.
Sige sure. Balik ka ha.
When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue, I'll always sure here beside me, here to stay my whole life through. You're the only one that believe me, who make my dreams come true. Oh my God,
Iris? Ayos ka lang?
Ayos naman. Ayos lang ako.
Punta tayo sa rooftop.
Tara!
kiss me in the night, kiss me in the daytime.
Ang ganda. Iris, matagal ko na ito pinag-isipan. Will you marry me? Iris, I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Sabihan ako! You mean, tayo?
Ha?
Bakit?
Ano?
Ayaw mo ba?
Sobrang saya ko. So, anong sagot mo?
Yes!
Congrats, guys. Sorry. Sorry.
Medyo mahigpit. Pero okay lang.
Tara, let's celebrate. Well, I realized that vector multiplication is scary, but it's not that scary. That's it for today, class. Miss Reyes?
Paano ba yun?
Uy, kailangan natin mag-usap.
Opo, sir. Hi. Oh my God. Huwag kang gumalaw! My God! Ikaw na ba yan? Stephanie? Hi, I'm... Stop! Sabi ko nandyan ka lang! Kala mo madidistract mo ako? Hindi. Dahil nandito siya? Huwag kang gumalaw! Diyan ka lang! Upo ka! Upo! How's Darlene? Po? Darlene, yung mama mo. Hindi ko po alam. Umalis po kasi siya nung 10 years old pa po ako. I'm actually here po because I've been dreaming about the sky view for the past 2 months. Every night, it's the same dream. Ando po kayo sa isang date. Tapos, maraming nahulog sa dance floor. Tapos, merong explosion. Tapos nahulog. At namatay. Ako? Lahat kayo namatay. Hindi lang yung panaginip. That was my premonition.
Will you marry me? Iris, I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Hindi pwede to. Kailangan natin umalis lahat dito. Babagsak ang building na to. Yung barya. Akin yan! Ibigay mo sa akin yan! Yung dance floor.
I said now
Everyone is again on the dance floor. This building will collapse. Ngayon na. Lahat tayo mamamatay. Teka lang. Kailangan natin umalis lahat dito. At yun yung oras na. Naligtas ko lahat ng tao doon. Mga buhay na. Di pwedeng iligtas. Sinarado nila yung restaurant. Sabi na, kailangan ng additional renovations. Pero di naman nila binuksan ulit. Eventually, hiniba nila yung building. So, you stopped the disaster? Oo. But Tech doesn't like it when you fuck with his plans.
Bumalik siya at pinatay niya lahat ng tao na nakaligtas. He's a relentless son of a bitch. Pinatay niya lahat. Pero, oo, hindi siya titigil hanggat hindi niya natatapos yung trabaho niya. Pati si Paul, kinuha niya. Kaya naman, tignan mo, nag-research ako. Inalam ko lahat kung paano siya tigilin for 20 years dito sa cabin ko. Pero, hindi na yun importante. Yung importante, when the universe speaks, you pay attention. I see you, you fuck. Kaya naman, dito ka lang, okay? Alamin mo lahat ng basics, lahat ng mga steps kung paano siya tigilin.
Hindi ba ako pwedeng tumira po dito? I have to go back to school pa po. Pasensya na po. I think I made a mistake.
Ano? Teka lang.
Sige po. Aalis po ako ha. Maraming salamat po.
Teka, pwedeng umalis. Stephanie! Stephanie! Don't you see? Death is coming for a family. Hindi ka pa na naniniwala?
No.
Stephanie, makinig ka sa akin. Teka lang! Stephanie! 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 Facebook is a lifeline. It will show you everything you need to know to keep our family safe. Hindi ka pa rin naniniwala?
No.
Umatras ka.
Po.
Seeing is believing.
God. Linisin mo yan.
Hey, there she is! Hey! Come here. So glad you made it.
Oy! Mom! Buti bumisita ka dito. Oh, ano yan? Pahingi, Mom.
Of course, come on in. Hey, everybody, come on over.
May peanut butter ba to?
Yeah. Oh my god, Papa's allergic.
Yeah. Are you trying to kill my brother?
It's okay, Eric. Nakalimutan lang niya.
I totally forgot. I'm so sorry.
The important thing is that you're here. So, Bobby bartender, drinks all around. Family, you don't get to pick the one you get. Just gotta love the one
Okay, makinig kayo sa akin. Lahat ng mga nakalagay dito ay mga taong namatay in a weird and messed up way. Silang lahat ng mga nandito ay mga nakaligtas sa Skyview. But not only that, they all died in the same order as Iris' premonition. Hundreds of people were supposed to die that night, but Iris stopped the disaster. So death came back for them one by one. Since marami yung survivors, it took years for that na patayin silang lahat. But eventually, it got to Iris. Since she was the last to die in her premonition, pati yung batang lalaki. Pero handa siya eh. She single-handedly held off death for decades.
Stephanie, anak, I think hindi ito yung tamang oras para mag-explain sa mga ganito.
Yeah! I mean, none of this has even anything to do with us, right? Bakit ba kami nandito? No. Makinig ka muna sa akin. Because that took so long na kunin lahat ng mga survivors na to, lahat sila nagkaroon ng pamilya. Families that they never should have had. So, pati yung mga pamilya nila, kinuha rin. I mean, don't you see? Death is coming for us because we were never supposed to exist.
So, lahat ng mga nandito sa room na to ay part ng death's list?
Yeah, yan yung sinasabi niya, Bobby. No. Dad and Aunt Brenda, hindi sila kasali because they're not part of Iris' bloodline. Gumawa ako ng pattern. Since panganay si Uncle Howard, magsisimula sa pamilya niya. Meaning Eric, you're next.
Go fuck yourself.
Then it will go to Julia. Then Bobby. Pagkatapos, sa pamilya ko. Starting with Darlene. Then ako. Tapos si Charlie.
Charlie, you buying this?
I don't know.
Alam mo, nababaliw ka na. Ginawa bang conspiracy theory yung pagkamatay ng papa ko? What is wrong with you? No. Hindi to conspiracy theory.
Stephanie,
Teka lang.
tama na.
Mamamatay tayong lahat. Stephanie, stop! Ayoko na makarinig ng mga ganito, okay? Please, tama na. Aunt Brenda, teka lang. Wait lang. Aunt Brenda, teka lang. Makinig ka muna sa akin. On Iris' book, she mentioned somebody who cheated death and survived. Please, stop. Pwede ba? Pabayaan mo na ako. Eric!
Stop.
Naniniwala ka naman sa akin, di ba?
I'm sorry.
Look, Steph, I really love you as a cousin, but sometimes I really hate you.
I know how convincing all of this can be, but it's not real.
How can you say that?
Don't let my mom's beliefs derail your life the same way they did mine.
Thank you so much for that advice, but I don't really need a mom anymore.
All right, open wide. Good. My old man just died. I come in as a favor, and now they want me to lock up. Hey, 5-star review, yeah? Like and subscribe on all the things.
Wala. Di ko siya makontak. Parati na lang voicemail yung sumasagot. Hala ate, sabi na sunodin yung tattoo shop niya. Ate! Ate! Stop! Itigil mo! Ate!
Ow! What? You trying to kill me?
Eric?
Oh yeah, no, of course it's you.
Eric, teka lang!
I'm fine.
Dude! Kala namin nasunod ka na.
Ayos ka lang? Hindi ko gets. Bakit buhay ka pa? Teka lang! Eric, teka lang! Just because that doesn't kill you last night doesn't mean you're safe! Stay away from the tree trimmer. It could fall. And stay away from the kids. Pwedeng mahulog yung tree trimmer. Tapos papunta dito sa leaf blower guy. Tapos papunta sa mga bata. Tapos yung soccer ball mapunta sa face mo.
Whoa. Soccer ball to my face? That does sound deadly. I should be more careful.
Hey guys! Oh, anong nangyari sa'yo?
Charbroiled by death, apparently.
Patingin. I screwed up the order. Ngayon patay na si Julia. It's my fault.
Guys, look. What happened was traumatic and awful. But it's not anybody's fault.
It's my fault.
Mom, it's not your fault.
It is my fault. Stephanie, nagkamali ka lang sa order kasi meron ako sekreto na hindi niya pa nalalaman. Hindi, anak ni Howard, si Eric.
I'm sorry, what are you talking about?
Stephanie, hindi ako naniwala sa'yo. Kaya hindi ko sinabi agad. Ngayon patay na si Julia. Pasensya ka na, Eric. Nagkaroon lang kami ng alita ng papa mo doon. Pero Howard loves you so much. Eric, please.
Who's my real dad?
Jared Fenbury.
Oh! Jared Fenbury?
Yes! Eric, let me explain.
Eric fucking Benbury?
Eric!
God, what is this guy always wanted to play catch?
So, if it's going in the right order, then ako na yung susunod. Diba? Kailangan mo kong tulungan, Steph.
Bobby, I don't think I can. Parang hindi
Ate,
ko
kaya mo. Okay? You predicted it, diba?
What do you mean predicted?
She predicted it. Like, nakita niya kung paano nangyari. Diba, ate, nakita mo yung tree trimmer, tapos yung blower, tapos yung soccer ball.
Charlie.
Para siyang puzzle na kailangan mo pagdugtug-tugtungin.
Is that true?
Darlene, please. Do not encourage this.
Please, huwag mong takutin yung mga bata.
Marty.
I mean, in Iris' book, it's like an equation. It's like a math.
Stephanie, if you can see how all of this fits together, we might have a chance.
Stop! Alam mo, sinira mo yung pamilyang to simula nang umalis ka. Okay kami nung wala ka. Kaya I'm begging you not to traumatize our kids anymore.
It's real this time.
I'm going for a walk.
I appreciate that our family needs some counseling in the future, but can we focus na tayong lahat ay mamamatay? I mean, di ba, Steph, Iris said in the book that, you know, someone who cheated that or something?
Yeah. Wait. Andito yan. Wait lang. It says here, JP. Sige, pupuntahan ko siya.
Wait lang, Steph. Ikaw lang mag-isa?
I'm coming with you.
Teka lang. Sasama din ako. Teka lang. What?
Bobby, di ka pwedeng sumama sa amin. Dapat manatili ka lang dito.
Fuck that. No, I'm not staying here just by myself. I read Granny's book. There are thousands house-related deaths na pwede ka mamatay dito sa bahay. Mulog ka sa stairs. Pwedeng mabagsak yung ulo mo sa inidoro. No way, I'm not staying here. Steph, please.
Okay. Huwag ka mag-alala. Nandito lang ako sa likod mo.
Hey, see, buddy? We got you.
The front desk is this way.
Hi! We're looking for JB?
That would be me. William John Bloodworth. But my friends call me JB. Matagal ko na ko yung hinihintay. Stephanie, Charlie, Darlene, but no Julia and Howard. So, which one of you is next?
Me?
I'm sorry about Iris. She was a friend of mine.
Wait. How did you know her?
She saved my life.
When?
At the Skyview. Dinala ako ng mama ko noon sa work niya. I wasn't supposed to be there. Except, of course, to die.
You were the last to die. Ikaw yung batang lalaki.
Tama.
So all this time, hindi lang kami yung pinaprotektahan niya. Pati rin ikaw.
Years later, she tracked me down. Hinanap niya ako. At pinakita sa akin kung ano ang katotohanan. Tinulungan niya ako. At tinulungan ko din siya.
Wait, Iris said you found somebody who stopped death and survived.
Yes. And, paano naman yung gagawin? There are only two ways. By killing or by dying. If you take a life, you get the time that person had left. What? No! I'm not gonna kill someone.
Wait lang, Bobby. Patapusin mo muna si JB.
To only break the cycle, kailangan mong mamatay.
Huh? What does it mean?
A long time ago, a girl named Addie ay nakaligtas. Kagaya nyo, she cheated Death's List kasabay ng boyfriend niya na si Zed. Pero si Zed, hindi nakaligtas. Ngayon, si Addie ay nandoon sa mental hospital.
No. There must be another way. Kailangan mo kaming tulungan.
Wait, saan ka pupunta? Pagod na rin ako. May sakit na rin ako. Kagaya ng lola mo na si Iris. In fact, mamamatay na naman kayong lahat. Pagkatapos yung mamatay, ako na yung susunod.
So what? You're just gonna leave us out there?
I intend to enjoy the time I have left. Ngayon ay wala na si Iris. Magre-retire na rin ako.
Please, kailangan mo kaming tulungan.
Don't leave us. Life is precious. Enjoy every single second. You never know when. Good luck.
That's fantastic.
Paano na kuya? Paano na tayo magagawa?
Paano na tayo magagawa? Paano na to?
Look, Iris found a way to hold that belt for decades.
Teka lang kuya.
So will we.
Teka lang. Ate, wala na sila Eric at Bobby.
Shit.
Sana sila?
Why is Eric dead if he's not related to Iris?
If you fuck with that, things can get messy.
We have to get out of here. It's not safe.
At saan tayo pupunta, Mom?
Nowhere is safe.
Except at Iris' cabin. She survived there for decades.
Yeah, pero namatay siya.
She only died because she left the cabin. Outside is dangerous. Pero, safe sa loob. Kaya pwede tayo doon.
You're right. It's the only place where we have any advantage.
Wait. So, we just lock ourselves in the cabin forever?
Not you. Me.
What?
Ate! Okay ka lang. Just breathe. Breathe. Breathe.
Charlie, what happened?
Namatay ka. At binuhay kita ulit.
Nabuhay ako ulit.
You're safe now.
Where's Mom?
Wala na siya. Umuwi na tayo. Tara na, ate. Ate!
Charlie! Bagay yung suot mo ngayon, ha? Where's Jenny?
Nandun pa sa loob. Nagbibihis pa.
Ikot ka nga.
Ate!
Sige na, ikot ka.
Fine.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me fix that. Oo. Munti ka na yun.
Ayos ka lang, ate? Ate? Ate?